Hello, Willie here from Agile Performance, and we are introducing our latest product. This one I'm very excited about. This is a set of knuckles or uprights for the Toyota Celica ST185. So these have been thoroughly tested on my rally car behind me. And the main impetus for these is the wheel bearings. If you're familiar with ST185s, you'll understand that the wheel bearings, when used in a motorsport situation, are not up to task. They don't last long. You get lots of pad knockoff due to the flex in them. So, and you can't just upgrade the bearings in them. So what we've done is we have gone to a Gen 3 Prius wheel bearing assembly. As you can see, this is a bolt-in complete assembly. The reason we've chosen this is it shares the inner spline from the Celica, also the wheel stud pattern, and the centre bore for the brake disc. The only thing that makes this not a complete bolt-on kit is the step on the centre bore. So this has to be machined down to this inner diameter here. If you buy this from us, they will come pre-machined, ready to go. It's a very simple job for any machinist. These are quite expensive to ship overseas, so you may prefer to buy them locally. Moving on to the knuckle. As we can see, these are made from Billet CNC aluminium, specifically 7000 series aluminium, which is very strong. They also anodized both to harden the outside and to help with corrosion resistance. They're manufactured with the two-piece design. This is purely to save material, which reduces the cost. The big advantage of these, as well as the bearing, is the adjustable steering geometry. So we can see here that there's two plates here which sandwich the rose joint, and this clamps it in double shear, making it very strong. We use our own adapter, which uses the inner Toyota rack end, and these here are a high quality rose joint, which is commonly available should they ever need to be replaced. And the adjustability from this comes from changing the plates. So we offer 3 plates, which will come standard with the kit. First is factory geometry, and then the most aggressive one, which has decreased steering acumen, which brings the angle of the front wheels closer to parallel or virtually parallel under steering lock, and also increase steering ratio. It tightens up the steering ratio, so you need less input from the steering wheel for a given amount of steering. This makes a massive difference for the rally car or for a street car. It makes it a lot more responsive, a lot more lively, and you're a lot less busy on the steering wheel. And then the last one is a compromise between the factory and the most aggressive one. And then if you want to, you can re-drill these, or you can get your own ones laser cut and play around with geometry as much as you feel like without changing the base knuckle. These are designed to take the factory ST185 brakes, factory rotor, factory caliper, and then hence any upgrade kit for the 185 will also bolt onto this knuckle. As it comes, will come with obviously both knuckles, 3 sets of plates, the adapters, rose joints, and all the hardware. Not included is the wheel bearing assemblies. We can sell these additionally, and the bolts to attach the wheel bearing assembly to the hub. These are on the Agile Performance website. If you've got any questions, please hit us up. We ship worldwide, so we look forward to hearing from you.